Why did the universe begin? A scientific and philosophical exploration. Have you ever looked up at the night sky, gazed at the infinite stretch of stars, and asked yourself, why does all this exist? Why did the universe begin? These are questions as old as humanity, yet they remain unanswered. In this video, we'll embark on a journey through the cosmos, in a blend of scientific discovery and philosophical reflection, to ponder the origins of the universe, the meaning, or lack thereof, of its existence and our own role within it. Buckle up. We're delving into mysteries that tread the fine line between what we know and what remains unknown. Let's begin where many of us are most comfortable, the realm of science. Modern physics offers us several theories about how the universe began, though none provide a definitive answer to the tantalizing why. Instead, they paint a picture of processes, mechanics, and possibilities. The most well-known explanation is the Big Bang theory. According to this model, around 13.8 billion years ago, the universe emerged from an extremely dense and hot state, an event that marked the beginning of time, space, and matter as we know it. But what triggered the Big Bang? Was it the result of an inevitable process, or was it a one-off cosmic miracle? Scientists often ponder these questions, but the answers remain elusive. An intriguing alternative stems from the strange world of quantum physics, quantum fluctuations. At the smallest scales, particles can randomly pop in and out of existence seemingly from nowhere. Some physicists theorize that a similar quantum event could have birthed our universe. In this view, creation may be built into the fabric of reality itself. A universe might appear where seemingly there was none. And then there's the idea of the multiverse. What if our universe isn't unique at all? What if it's just one of countless universes, each governed by its own laws of physics? If true, the multiverse suggests that universes arise all the time, making our own existence feel less extraordinary but no less fascinating. Finally, we have the cyclic universe theory, which envisions the cosmos as an eternal loop. In this model, the universe undergoes endless cycles of expansion, contraction, and rebirth. What we perceive as the beginning may just be the latest chapter in an infinite story. However, even among these theories, a common theme persists. Science provides incredible insights into how the universe might have begun, yet it cannot fully address why. This is where philosophy steps in. Why does the universe exist? Does it need a purpose, or is why simply the wrong question to ask? Some argue that the universe doesn't require a deeper reason. It exists simply because existence is possible. This view aligns with certain interpretations of physics, where randomness reigns supreme and why becomes an irrelevant query. The universe might not owe us an explanation. On the other hand, many philosophical traditions suggest that existence demands a cause or purpose. Thinkers have pondered whether the cosmos is the result of a deliberate act, perhaps by a higher intelligence, or whether it reflects some underlying rule or logic that we have yet to uncover. Another layer to this question brings us to the tension between randomness and determinism. If the universe began due to blind chance, what does that say about its purpose, or ours? Conversely, if its existence follows inevitable laws, does that point to a deeper meaning underpinning it all? Could this inevitability itself be the reason the universe exists? Ultimately, the philosophical debate rests on how we interpret existence itself. Is the cosmos an end in itself, a random accident, or a clue to something greater? These questions open vast intellectual terrain, and they lead us to deeper reflections on meaning. Does the universe have meaning? It's a question with no singular answer. Some scientists and philosophers argue that the cosmos is indifferent. In this perspective, meaning is not something inherent to the universe, it's something we impose upon it. The stars, galaxies, and particles don't act with intent or purpose. They simply follow the laws of physics. The universe, they say, is beautiful, but ultimately devoid of meaning. Yet the human mind resists this notion. Across cultures and history, civilizations have sought narratives that define the universe as purposeful. From religious explanations of divine intent to secular philosophies that frame existence as progress, we often view the cosmos as more than mere mechanics. Why? Perhaps it's because we ascribe meaning as a survival tool, to ground ourselves, to find direction, to endure the terrifying possibility of a purposeless world. Some philosophies, such as existentialism, even embrace the absence of universal meaning. They encourage us to create our own purpose. If the universe lacks meaning, it becomes a canvas upon which we, as conscious beings, can paint our values, aspirations, and identities. If the universe exists, what role does life, and by extension humanity, play within it? Could it be that life is the universe's way of observing and understanding itself? A central question here is whether life, as we know it, is a rare anomaly or a widespread phenomenon. Conditions for life are incredibly specific: the right balance of temperature, chemical elements, and energy sources. Planets like Earth, situated in the Goldilocks zone, are rare, at least as far as we can tell. Does this mean life itself is special? Searches for extraterrestrial life have so far yielded no conclusive evidence, but the vastness of the cosmos leaves room for optimism. If discovering alien life is a possibility, what would that mean for humanity? If life is common, it suggests we are part of a much larger drama unfolding across the universe. If life is rare, it underscores the extraordinary fortune of our existence. Regardless of its rarity, life possesses a unique quality, the ability to question its purpose. Through us, the universe contemplates itself, reflecting on its own origins and meaning. In a sense, life and conscious thought might serve as a vital thread in the cosmic tapestry, even if an accidental one. What sets us apart as humans is our insatiable curiosity. We yearn to understand the universe not just through telescopes and equations, but with the stories we tell about ourselves and our place in existence. This quest for understanding is both scientific and deeply personal. Scientifically, we probe the origins of the universe through experiments, observations, and theories. We seek to unlock the mysteries of time, space, and matter. But there's another layer to this quest, a need to make sense of our lives within this grand cosmos. This need isn't purely rational, it's emotional. We want to belong to something larger than ourselves. Are humans mere observers, cosmic spectators watching the universe unfold around us? Or do we play a more active role? Some argue that through our capacity for reason, creativity, and compassion, we shape the universe in ways unique to life. Whether or not the cosmos is inherently meaningful, we infuse it with meaning through our art, our exploration, and our ideas. This raises a provocative thought. Perhaps what matters isn't whether the universe itself has purpose, but whether we give it purpose. Reflecting on why the universe began takes us to a deeply personal space. It leaves us awestruck, humbled, and inspired. These questions remind us of the limits of human knowledge and the boundless scope of our imagination. They encourage us to embrace not just what we know, but what we don't. For science enthusiasts, blending the power of empirical discovery with the depth of philosophical inquiry can be a profound experience. It bridges two worlds, one rooted in data and observation, the other in reflection and wonder. Together, these disciplines allow us to grapple with mysteries that no single field can answer alone. And in the end, these cosmic inquiries connect us all. Regardless of race, culture, or geography, we share a collective fascination with the stars and what lies beyond them. Questions about the universe's origins are questions about who we are as a species. So why did the universe begin? Was it an accident, a rule, or something stranger still? We may never know with certainty, but the journey of asking the question is as significant as the answer itself. As we've seen, science gives us tools to uncover the mechanics of existence, while philosophy urges us to confront the mysteries of meaning. Both perspectives are vital in our quest to understand the universe and our place within it. Perhaps the most profound thing we can do is embrace the unknown. In a world so vast, with questions so complex, meaning might not come from the universe itself, but from our capacity to question, to wonder, and to connect with something beyond ourselves. Take a moment to reflect. What does the universe mean to you? Does it inspire you, challenge you, or humble you? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Together, let's explore not just the universe, but also the meaning we create within it.